Yes, students, can you please tell the output of this program? Can anyone tell the output of this program? Yes. Can you please tell the output of this program? And give it right. What's the output of this program, students?
Thousand, sir.
So we'll get this output. Is the output of this program, or we'll get any different output? Let me wait for other students. Yeah. So we'll get this output, students. We'll get this output. You get this output. So this is the expected output. This is what we're expecting. But unfortunately, we are not going to get this output. But what output we'll get? We'll get output something like this. Volume of the box, volume of the box will get VOL. Notice, students, what I'm getting? I'll get VOL. But actually what I should get? I should get 1000 here. Instead of getting 1000, this is the output I'll get if I write something like this. If I write code something like this, I'll get this output, but I won't get the expected output. As the expected output, I won't get. Why I'm not getting expected output? You see the students in system.out.println, anything which you place in double quotes. You see that my double quote is beginning here. It begins here. It begins here. And where it is ending? It is ending here. You see that? It is ending here. Okay. So anything which you write inside the double quotes, anything which you write inside the double quotes will be printed as it is. It will be printed as it is. So that's why I'm getting this output, but I'm not getting the expected output. So in order to get the expected output, what change I should do to this part of code? What change I should do? So let us see now. Okay. So let me erase this. I hope you understood, right? Yeah. So what I should do here? Okay. Now, so you see the students. So up to here. Okay. Up to here, what I want? Let me change the color. Up to here, I want to print volume of the box. Means up to here, the content is constant. Up to here, the content is constant. Only here, I need to print the value of the value which is stored in the variable, right? So what I should do? So up to here, I should put double quotes. Up to here, I should put double quotes. Okay, I should not. Then followed by plus VOL. I should use plus VOL. Okay. Now what's going to happen here? Now it will print the volume of the box. Okay, the same thing. It will print the volume of the box. It will print. Next, what is VOL? It's going to print the value. And what's the value? It will print 1000. 1000 it will print. Now here in Java, the operator plus acts as a concatenation operator. Okay, it acts as a concatenation. It acts as a concatenation operator. It acts as a concatenation operator. What is concatenation? Concatenation is nothing but it is combining. Okay, this is operand 1. Okay, this is operand 1. Okay, the left side is operand 1. And what is VOL? This is operand 2. This is operand 2. The right, students? So what is trying to do? It's trying to concatenate operand 1 with operand 2. How it's trying to concatenate? With respect to an operation called plus. Okay, so here the plus is acting as a concatenation. In other words, it's not plus, it's an addition, right? So addition is acting as a concatenation. Then you may ask the question, if I do 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, I said it acts as a concatenation, that is addition acts as a concatenation. If I write 10 plus 20, I'll get 30 in Java, or I'll get 10 and 20. What's your answer? I said plus acts as a concatenation. Concatenation means I'm going to add, concatenation means I'm going to combine these two. If I combine these two, I'll get 10, 20. If I do normal addition, I'll get 30. Okay. But in Java, if I do 10 plus 20, I'll get 30. I won't get 1020. Why? You see the students here, the first operand is integer. The first operand is integer and the second operand is integer. Since both are integer, I'm going to perform addition. But here you notice here students, in this example, you notice the first operand. What is the first operand? Is a string. You noticed I have double quotes. Here the first operand is string. You see that the first operand is string. And the second operand, what is the second operand? The second operand is integer. Okay. So now, with respect to this addition, if one operand is string, automatically this plus is going to perform concatenation. It won't do addition. Why it is not doing addition? Because one operand, that is my first operand, is a string. Since first operand is a string, this plus is going to perform concatenation. Concatenation is combining these two. Okay. But here that is not the case. Why it is not the case? You see that the first operand is integer and the second operand is integer. Since both are integers, I am trying to perform normal addition. I am not doing any concatenation. Now you see that students, I do something like this. 10 double quotes plus 20 plus 20. What is first operand? It's a string. And what is second operand? Integer. Since at least one operand is string, this plus is going to perform concatenation. If performs concatenation, the result will be 1020. It won't be 30. Okay. Only one thing you should understand, right, students? So string plus any operand. It will perform concatenation. Yes. Any operand plus string. Here also it performs concatenation. Okay. Perform concatenation. Okay. If you have any one operand as string, that's very important. If you have any one operand as string, you see that here the first operand is string, so that's why the plus is going to perform concatenation. Here you see that the second operand is string. Since it is a string, the plus is going to perform concatenation. I hope you understood this. So that's all for today's class, students. You have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave the session. And that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. Any questions you can ask, students? Any doubts?
Sir, how can we define object of a class?
We can define
Object of a class.
just now discussed, right? So this is how you can create an object. Means in definition you want what you're asking?
Yes, sir, definition.
An object is an instance of a class. That I'll discuss in detail later. A definition means an object is an instance of a class. Let me type here. Let me scroll up here. Let me type here. An object is an instance of a class. Is a definition of an object. This so you can define an object. Is it fine? I know who is this? Who is this?
Answer.
Yeah, Anjar. So this is a definition, Anjar. An object is an instance of a class, right? Yeah, fine. That's good. Yeah. Any other questions? Fine. It's good. Any other questions you can ask? If there are no questions, you can leave the session. You can join the next class.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yes. You're welcome.
Sir,
Yeah.
if there is a number plus string plus number means it will print like it will be using a concatenation. It will happen.
Yes, yes. Yeah. If you have multiple operands also, if at least one operand is string, the output will be string. Actually, it depends. See, for example, one say, let me do here for you. With top. Suppose you said 10 plus 20. We can take it as 10 plus 3 plus 30. You see what I'm saying? The first one is string. The first one is string. First operand is string. The second is integer. Okay. String plus integer.
Yes,
String plus integer. Result will be string. Result will be
yes, sir. Thank you.
string.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It will be 1020. 1020 is string. String plus 30.
Yes, sir.
It will become 102030. But you don't want this
Okay, sir.
behavior. So let us assume you don't want this behavior. What we can do?
Yes, sir.
We can put like this. Noise is coming. Can you please? One is making noise. Yeah. If you do like this, what's going to happen? So first is going to perform the operation inside the bracket. Okay. So it does. So it will be something like this. Okay. 10 plus 20 plus 30, 50. 50. Okay. Now it's trying to concatenate these two. String plus integer. It will become 1050. Is it fine, Vamsit?
Yes, sir. No, sir. My question was like first if it was number, sir. First
Oh,
10 plus string plus some number.
String plus string. Okay. Okay. 20
Sir.
plus number 50.
Yes, sir.
So this is integer and this is string, and result will be string
String.
only. String only. It will
Okay, sir.
become 1020.
Okay.
So now
Okay,
this is
sir.
also a string. String plus integer 50. This also output will
Yes,
be 102050.
50. Oh, okay, sir.
Done. Next one.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine, students. Any other questions? You can ask. Any questions, students? Since there are no questions, well and good. And that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you.